Okay, today we're going to talk about how we take our, I call them safety tests. They're on the Public Works website. And we're going to talk about about what they are and how you can access them. Here are all the courses you have to take. If I counted correctly, there are 11 of them. And you will see them when you go into the site, you can see them. So a little bit later we'll look at the website, but there they are. There's a few new ones that I don't think we normally do, but I think the State Department of Ed has said, please do these. Why online? Well, you can complete them at your leisure. You don't have to sit here through 2, 3, 4 hours of videos. You can choose to listen to it, just read it, then take your test, or you can just take the test. However, there's one catch. If you decide to just take the test, you have to get 70%, or they make you retake the test. So, if you're really great at all those things, you can probably get done really quickly. Your first choice about how to get there is you should have gotten an email that is from this Carrie Mockler. The email contains directions and a website about your password and username and the website that you can click on. Your second, and when you click on the email, and it looks like this. And this is a list of all your courses that you have to take. And then you'll click on the link, and it'll take you to the site, which we'll look at in a little bit. Your second choice is to go to the USD 381 website. Under staff, you can choose staff on the website. And it's right there. And this comes up, and you have to put your username in, which is your first initial and your last name. And then you have to enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. And then you have to go through all this to update that and make sure it's correct. And it loads your test. Now, the first time I looked at this, it had all my tests, and I believe it just said start course. But as Mr. Stegman alluded to last night, when I got on last night to check to see if this was going to be right, so this is what it should look like. I don't know about this. This due date is not what. But that was the only one up there. So I went to my transcript, and when you go to your transcript, you can see them all. And you can see that I took my bullying and I thought, oh, I'll miss one, so I know what it's like to have to go back and retake. Well, if you just miss one, you don't have to go back and retake it. And so these were all here, but they have these incompletes. So I re-enrolled myself in them last night, good or bad. We will see. And so I did take the bloodborne pathogen one, and I took that earlier. So I'm assuming when I go back in, I'll be able to just click on these and take it. Another thing we're going to look at and talk about later, especially for PDC, is this is the recommended time it will take you to take these. Now,
don't click on that. Your tab is like the second one from the left.
There we go. So, how long will it take you to take it? That depends on you. There are approximate times given between 15 and 30 minutes. There's a couple that's 45. There's one that's 85. So again, you can choose to listen or read. You can attempt to take the test without covering the information. You can do a combination of both, and if you really like your coworkers, you can do them with that person. So it's all up to you. You just need to remember that you need to have a 70% or greater to get your certificate and for it to count. All tests must be completed by September 15th. PDC. We always usually just sign the sheet that we've been here and listened to all the videos. Well, when everybody's completed it, Mr. Crowdis is going to go in and upload a group activity, and you're going to get as many hours as all those times added up, those rate times that it should take. So I didn't add that up, but you'll get several hours of credit. Does anybody have any questions? If you need some help, there are people who've already done it. I'd be glad to help you. So I would like to thank Mr. Stegman for giving me the opportunity to get my homework done early. Mr. Crowdis helped me with the PVC. Mr. Corby is recording for me, and thank you all for listening. And if I can be of any help, please ask. And have a great school year and happy testing.